welcome back to Storytime with the Huntington Beach Public Library. My name is Miss Laura, and I am so excited to be with you here today. Now, before we jump into our story, we need to wake up our body. So I want you to start by putting your hands up like this. And make your fingers stop. Great job. Now, can you wave your hands back and forth like this? Great job. We're gonna sing along and wake up the different parts of our body. Are you ready? I wake up my hands with a clap, clap, clap. A clap, clap, clap. A clap, clap, clap. I wake up my hands with a clap, clap, clap. And I wake up my hands no more. I wake up my nose with a beep, beep, beep. A beep, beep, beep. A beep, beep, beep. I wake up my nose with a beep, beep, beep. And I wake up my nose no more. I wake up my mouth with a bloop, bloop, brrr. A bloop, bloop, brrr. A bloop, bloop, brrr. I wake up my mouth with a boop, boop, brrr. And I wake up my mouth no more. I wake up my belly with a tickle, tickle, tickle. A tickle, tickle, tickle. A tickle, tickle, tickle. I wake up my belly with a tickle, tickle, tickle. And I wake up my belly no more. I wake up my feet with a stomp, stomp, stomp. A stomp, stomp, stomp. A stomp, stomp, stomp. I wake up my feet with a stomp, stomp, stomp. And I wake up my feet no more. Give yourselves a big clap. You did a great job waking up your body. Now, are you ready to find out what we're talking about today? We need to check our shapes to find out. So let's start at the very top. Can you tell me what shape this is? What shape is this? It's an oval. That's right. We have an oval up here. Now, what color is the oval? What color is this? That's right. It's blue. We have a blue oval. Now, are you ready to find out what it's hiding? Put your hands out just like this, and we're going to count to 3 with our fingers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there was nothing hiding behind our blue oval. Should we try our next shape? Okay, can you tell me what shape this is? What shape is this? It's a triangle. That's right. We have a triangle up here. Now, what color is this triangle? I know, it's red. That's right, it's red. We have a red triangle. Should we look and see what it's hiding? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there was nothing hiding behind that shape either. Should we try our last shape? Okay, let's go down to the very bottom. What shape is this? Can you tell me? That's right, it's a circle. Now, what color is our circle? What color is this? Oh, you're right, it's green. We have a green circle. Let's see what it's hiding. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, what is that? What was hiding behind our green circle? It's a baby and a little duck. And where are they? They're in the bathtub. That's right. So we must be reading a story about bath time today. Give yourselves a big clap. You did a great job with your shapes and colors. Now, are you ready for a bath time story? I am, and this is one of my favorites. It's called How do you take a bath? How do you take a bath? And it's by Kate McMullen. Now, grown-ups, when I say words and I point to them, that helps our little ones recognize those words on the page and know that what we're saying is right here in the book we're reading. Are you ready to get started? Let's read this all together. How do you take a bath? Oh, look at that. We're all ready for bath time. What room are we in? What room is this in your house? It's the bathroom, that's right. There's towels and a rug. You can see some shampoo and conditioner and oh, there's our bathtub. How do you take a bath? Cat has a rough pink tongue to lick his smooth brown fur. Polar bear scrubs her face with snow. Brrr. Elephant lifts his trunk and gives himself a shower. Pig wallows in the mud hour after hour. But how do you take a bath? Do you lick from head to toe? Do you wash your face with snow? Squirt some water from your nose? Sink in mud without your clothes? No. Turtle lets small fishies eat algae off his shell. Bat spits upon her thumbs and cleans her ears quite well. Honeybee's hairy legs brush pollen grains away. Chicken shimmies in the dust each and every day. But how do you take a bath? Do fish nibble on you? Yum! Do you spit upon your thumb? Are your hairy legs your brush? Do you thrash about in dust? No! Monkey's mama combs his fur, her fingers like a rake. Dog rolls in a puddle, then dries off with a shake. Duck splashes in a pond and flaps her wings. Quack, quack. Hippo's busy birdies peck the bugs from off his back. But how do you take a bath? Does your mama comb your fur? Do you shake off all your dirt? Do you splash and flap and quack? Do the birdies peck your back? No! Well, if you don't take a lick bath or snow bath, a trunk bath or mud bath, a fish bath or spit bath, a brush bath or dust bath, a comb bath or shake bath, a splash bath or peck bath, how do you take a bath? How do we take a bath? Let's see. Do you run water in a tub? Do you climb in and scrub a dub? Do you hop out of the tub? Do you dry off rub-a-dub? Do you make the towel your hat? Do you take a bath like that? Yes, that's how we take a bath. The end. That was such a fun story. We got to learn about all the different ways that animals give themselves baths. None of those animals took a bath like we take a bath, did they? Well, let's sing a bath time song to go with our bath time story time. First, we're gonna need to put something up on our board to help us. We're gonna need a big felt bathtub up here. But that bathtub is a little small for me, so I brought along a friend who's been wanting to jump into the bathtub. Can you tell me what animal this is? With a long trunk, big flappy ears, and a tusk right there. It's an elephant. So let's jump our elephant right here into the bathtub. Splash. And let's sing a song for our elephant. We have just one elephant in the bathtub. So can you hold up one finger like this? Ready? Let's sing to our elephant in the bathtub. He loves when you sing to him while he's taking a bath. Our song goes like this. One elephant in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Oh, there's someone knocking at the door. It's another elephant. Ready? Let's jump him into our bathtub. Here we go. Woo! Splash. Now how many elephants do we have in our bathtub? How many are there? We have 1, 2. So let's sing them our song. Are you ready? 2 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Oh, there's someone else knocking at the door. Who do you think it might be? Let's see. It's another elephant. So let's jump him into the bathtub too. Ready? Splash, splash. Now how many elephants do we have in the bathtub? Ready? Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3. And let's sing it again. Here we go. 3 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. There's another someone at the door. Let's see who it is. It's another elephant. Let's jump him into the tub. And how many elephants do we have now? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elephants in our bathtub. Sing along if you remember the words. Ready? 4 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Oh, there's someone else at the door. It's purple elephant. Let's jump our purple elephant right in the middle of our bathtub. Ready? Splash. And let's sing to our elephants. How many do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elephants. Are you ready? Here we go. 5 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. I don't think there's any more elephants, but maybe it's time to hop out of the tub. Thank you all so much for singing with me today. I hope you enjoyed our bath time story time, but it's time for us to say goodbye for today. So I want you to take your hands, lift them up very, very tall. Bring them down to the ground very, very small. Put your hands on your head and make a little ball. And we are ready for our song. Sing along if you know the words. I'm very, very tall. I'm very, very small. tall, small. Now I'm a little ball. I'm very, very tall. I'm very, very small. Tall, small. Now I'm a little ball. I'm very, very tall. I'm very, very small. Tall, small. Now I'm a little ball. Give yourself a big clap. You did a great job listening and singing today. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Miss Laura. I'm here at the Huntington Beach Public Library, and I'll see you next week.